Hi everyone, Bill here. I am one of the customer education specialists with CutTime and a former music educator myself. In this video, I will be talking about how to take the hassle out of tracking your program's inventory repairs. In my 35 years as a music educator, I dealt with a great deal of inventory, and of course, anytime you have inventory, you're going to have to send instruments for repair. Keeping up with all those repair receipts and the paperwork involved is sometimes very time-consuming. Well, with CutTime's repair tracking, you can eliminate that headache. We have made it very easy for you to enter the information about that repair, including the vendor name, the cost of the repair, the dates that the repair was done, and any other information you would like to include about what was done in that repair. An added bonus is the repair cost is automatically used to help determine the current value of the instrument, and there is a place where it keeps a running tally of everything that has been spent on that instrument for repairs over the life of the instrument in your system. This can be very important to you when you approach your administration about needing to replace instruments and you have documentation showing how much you're spending on these instruments. You will also have more accurate data available at your fingertips as to what you're spending in a given year. Without losing precious time searching, you have more time to spend on yourself and more time to spend doing the more important things such as teaching and advocating for the students in your program. Before I go, here's a quick tip to get a bird's eye view of your instrument repairs in a flash. From your dashboard, go to your instrument inventory and click on Needs Repair under the Conditions Search filter. This will pull up all of the instruments that you have flagged for repair in the system. Next, hit Export, and this will download all of this information into a handy CSV file that includes the cost and the amount that you have spent. We hope you've enjoyed this video and gotten something out of it. Have a great afternoon.